At BSB Industries, we view ourselves as problem solvers. Our goal for you as our customer has always been total solutions. And when we say total solutions, we mean it. We want to help you solve even the most demanding tasks. We handle everything from welding, laser plasma and oxygen cutting to bending, rolling, CNC machining and more. No job is too big or too small for BSB Industry. We learned a simple equation long ago, that quality over time equals trust. We want to be your most trusted choice. Cost is not the only factor you should consider. It's an important one to any business, but cost needs to be measured against quality. With that being said, BSB Industry is extremely competitive in the market. Our sales team is always ready on the phone to take your call and answer questions. We get back to you in due time and often within 48 hours with quotes and expected delivery times, depending on the complexity of your project. It's important for BSB Industry that we understand your needs and that we deliver what we've promised. BSB Industries' 3 factories are well equipped and state-of-the-art. Machinery includes both laser and plasma carriers, edge beepers and millers. We are also specialists in certification welding. Our goal is to stay up to date with new technology and developments, so you get the highest level of service. To accomplish this, our production processes undergo continuous assessment by our research and development team, ensuring optimization and efficiency on any task brought to us. Customer satisfaction has always been paramount. BSB Industry builds a partnership with you so that you keep bringing us your challenges and we keep providing total solutions through our knowledge, reliability and dedication. Remember that equation we mentioned. Quality over time equals trust. Call BSB Industry today and we'll start building that trust.